In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Expedia points for packages. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can find the option to exchange your points for packages inside of the Expedia website or the Expedia mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, all you have to do is sign into your account, click on your icon, and then access your account page. When you go into your account page, you will be able to locate the Expedia Rewards category, and inside of Expedia Rewards, you will see how many points you have and your progress towards earning rewards. All you have to do now is select Redeem for Packages at the bottom. You will then be able to exchange your points for coupons, as you can see over here. You can browse between all these available coupons and check their price over here at the right. This is how much they cost in points. As you can see, the bare minimum is a $25 coupon, and you can go all the way up to a $300 coupon. When you select however many points you wish to spend, select Get Voucher over here at the bottom, and you will receive a coupon code. As you can see, I don't have points, so I can't demonstrate this, but you just have to go ahead and select Get Voucher after you select the amount. With the voucher on hand, during the checkout progress, you can select Use a Coupon, Credit, or Promotion Code, as you can see highlighted over here, and input the code that you received. You will then be able to get a discount on your next booking inside of Expedia. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Expedia points for packages. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.